There's the fireman. Oh, that's what I forgot. Money. I knew there was something I forgot. Hi. K1.
Oh, K1?
Yeah.
Reservations there today?
Yes. Well, it was for yesterday, but yeah. Yes. Hey?
Can I see a piece of ID, please?
Yes, you certainly can.
Hi. Yes. He went down to Gold Creek. Why?
I saw a bear down there.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Whereabouts?
Black one.
By the Sandy station?
No, it was further down than that.
Oh, okay. Thanks for letting us know. Perfect.
Big black bear. Bike scared him. He took off. They'll come around with firewood later, right?
Yes. We are kind of short-staffed today, so we might end up waiting a little while to see them.
Okay.
To get some, it would be best to buy it right here.
Yeah, I just
Yeah,
can't.
you don't have a whole lot of here's your permits. That top one just stays with you. So the bottom one goes in your site post.
Okay.
We do, drive around. There is going to be someone driving around, but again, it is going to be
Okay, I've got straps. I can maybe strap a couple on there.
Yeah.
But was it?
We're going to be open here until 10:30, so if you want to go down to your site and then maybe unload and see if we can make some.
Yeah. You're here till 10:30?
Yeah, 10:30 p.m.
Oh, p.m.
Yeah.
Okay, I was gonna say what?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks. That one goes on the
Site post.
Okay.
Yeah. Gold Creek, I think.
Get up there. Remember, you take debit too, don't you? Yeah. All right. Puddles, puddles. See, this is K1 with my baby right here. Nice. Fire pit, yes. Just looking around where I can put my tarp up. Okay. Made it. This isn't bad. She made her up here. This is what I was talking about, my backrest. This is my dry bag with all my clothes. And then my rain gear is here. I just strapped that on, and that is a beautiful little backrest. My little table, I did bring it. So I'll let you look at the